Hi, my name is Dave Albin. And when I was younger, I did a lot of damage to my teeth. And I'm not proud of that. And it put me in a really, kind of a bad position. I'm in the personal development industry, and I literally get on stage and I talk before thousands of people all the time. And I would never smile. And I would watch the videos, and it was horrible. I felt horrible that I couldn't smile. But I couldn't because my teeth were so bad. And then, like many of you, I was on Facebook and there was an ad for Pop-On Veneers. And I thought, oh, this is too good to be true. There's no way. But yes, they are. They're real. They work. They're very affordable. And it's absolutely changed my life. I can get on stage now in front of thousands of people and I can smile with a high definition camera on me. So Pop-On Veneers, what can I say other than thank you?